In this video we are going to discuss how to fix bad breath permanently. We've all experienced it. The uncomfortable feeling that our breath isn't as fresh as it should be. Americans spend millions of dollars each year on mouthwash, mints, and other products to avoid offending coworkers, colleagues, and family with our less than sweet breath. However, maintaining fresh breath does not always necessitate a trip to the personal care section of your local grocer. The solution could be right in your own kitchen cabinets, and that is exactly what we will discuss in this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. But before I get into the remedies, I want to talk about the causes of bad breath. Most bad breath starts in your mouth, and there are many possible causes. They include 1. Food. The breakdown of food particles in and around your teeth can increase bacteria and cause a foul odor. 2. Tobacco products. Smoking causes its own unpleasant mouth odor. 3. Poor dental hygiene. If you don't brush and floss daily, food particles remain in your mouth, causing bad breath. 4. Dry mouth. Dry mouth naturally occurs during sleep, leading to morning breath, and it worsens if you sleep with your mouth open. 5. Medications. Some medications can indirectly produce bad breath by contributing to dry mouth. Others can be broken down in the body to release chemicals that can be carried on your breath. 6. Infections in your mouth. Bad breath can be caused by surgical wounds after oral surgery, such as tooth removal, or as a result of tooth decay, gum disease, or mouth sores. 7. Other mouth, nose, and throat conditions. Bad breath can occasionally stem from small stones that form in the tonsils and are covered with bacteria that produce odor. 8. Other causes. Diseases, such as some cancers, and conditions such as metabolic disorders, can cause a distinctive breath odor as a result of chemicals they produce. Here are 9 simple at-home bad breath remedies to try. 1. Salt water rinse. Using salt water to rinse your mouth is a natural way to rapidly freshen your breath. Simply mix some salt into a glass of warm water, swish it over your mouth and teeth for 30 seconds, then repeat. The foul odor has gone. 2. Cloves. Cloves can also assist to rapidly freshen your breath and make it kissable sweet. Another benefit of cloves is that they aid in the battle against harmful bacteria in the mouth that can lead to cavities. Simply eat a few cloves several times a day. But, don't use clove oil or powdered cloves, they are too strong and can cause burns. 3. Apple cider vinegar. If you want to get rid of the foul mouth odors generated by onions and garlic, apple cider vinegar is a simple solution. Mix a little in a glass of water and swish it around your mouth lightly. This natural mouthwash can rapidly eliminate odor and freshen your breath. 4. Eat your fruits and veggies. A crunchy snack, such as an apple, celery, or carrot, is another natural and simple approach to freshen your breath. These fruits and vegetables work as natural toothbrushes, cleaning your teeth and removing odor-causing microorganisms. They also increase saliva production, which aids in the prevention of foul breath. 5. Make your own alcohol-free mouthwash. Alcohol is found in most over-the-counter mouthwashes, which dries out your mouth and invites bacteria in. Here's a simple method for producing your own mouthwash using things you most likely already have on hand. 1 cup warm water. Add 1 tablespoon cinnamon. Add juice of 2 lemons. Add 1½ teaspoons of honey. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and pour into container. Mixture is good for up to 2 weeks. 6. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil helps your mouth fight odor-causing germs and microorganisms. Add a few drops to your toothpaste or brush your teeth with the oil alone to effortlessly incorporate it into your oral hygiene routine. 7. Parsley. Parsley is a popular folk remedy for bad breath. Its fresh scent and high chlorophyll content suggest that it can have a deodorizing effect. To use parsley for bad breath, chew on fresh leaves after each meal. 8. Water. According to studies, oral dryness is a common cause of bad breath. Saliva is quite vital in keeping your mouth clean. Bacteria grow without it. Because your mouth naturally dries out while you sleep, morning breath is usually worse. Keep your body moisturized to avoid dry mouth. Throughout the day, drink water, not caffeinated or sugary drinks, to increase saliva production. Make an effort to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. 9. Green tea. Green tea can help you get rid of foul breath at home. Green tea possesses antibacterial and deodorizing characteristics that can temporarily refresh the breath, according to research. Mint has comparable properties, so a cup of green mint tea can be just the thing to clear your throat. Before retiring to bed, make 2 cups of tea and keep them in the refrigerator overnight. Fill a water bottle with your chilled tea and carry it to work. Sip it slowly throughout the day. Your best bad breath defense is a good offense. Having a proper dental regimen is, of course, one of the best methods to prevent the growth of odor-causing bacteria. The following items should be included in a bad breath-blasting routine. Brushing after every meal and flossing twice a day. Regular dental checkups and cleanings. Replacing your toothbrush every 3 months. Periodically brushing the tongue to remove bacteria. Cleaning dentures or dental appliances thoroughly at least once a day. If foul breath persists after attempting one of our home cures for bad breath, it's critical to schedule an appointment with your dentist. Your dental experts can determine if periodontal disease is the source of your foul breath and provide the best treatment to eliminate it permanently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.